Hi everyone. Last class we discussed about data model. In that we discussed about ER model. So now we're going to see about the fundamentals of ER model, entity relationship model. So once we design the ER model, we can easily convert the relation into a database. So in this, let me see in that ER model, which consists of three main things. One is entity, another one is attribute, and another one is relationship. So here the entity means the real world object. Which, there are two kind of entities under this category: strong entity and weak entity. And attribute, it means that a property of an entity. Like if you take a student as an entity, what are all the attributes have means register number, name, marks, department, and then personal details like phone number, address, these things. So in that attribute, there are many kind of attributes are there: key attributes and composite attributes, multi-valued attributes, and derived attribute. And there are also relationships are categorized into one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many. So in this, so first we discuss about strong and weak entity. So an entity may be an object, the physical extension, maybe a person, maybe car, or employee, like so maybe an object of the conceptual extension is also company, job, or university course like this. So these are all entity. So entity is an object of entity type is a set of all entities. And for example, even as an entity having entity type student means set of all student is called entity set. The group of entity who having common attribute, they comes under the entity set. Okay. So in this, let me discuss about strong entity. There are two types of entity, no? That strong entity, it has a key attribute, does not depend on any other entity. So with the help of the key attribute, the entity alone find the tuples. So that entity is a strong entity, doesn't depend on another entity. Weak entity, it has a primary key, but even it depends on other entity to find the tuples. So, but some entity type has a key attribute uniquely with the entity, but some entity exists for which key attribute can't be defined. You cannot define any primary key for that. So, those kind of entity is weak entity. Next, let me see. Uh, Example, customer. In that customer, I have customer ID, customer name. So customer is a strong. With the help of the customer ID, I can find who are all the customers on the back. But with the help of the another entity is there, loan. Ma'am, சொல்லுங்க ma'am. மாத்திடுறேங்க ma'am. சரி சரிங்க மேம். வாட்ஸ்அப் இது ஓப்பன் ஆகலன்ட்டு ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கேன் மேம். போட்டுருவேங்க மேம். சரிங்க மேம். சரிங்க. அதைத்தான் நானும் கேட்டுக்கிறேன். பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறப்ப புரியுது ஆரம்பிச்சேன். மொபைல் எனக்கு கனெக்ட் ஆகிற மாதிரி நான் எதுக்கு நான் கேட்கறேன். ஜியோ கனெக்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லி